All right, all right, all right. Good Thursday morning. What do we got going on? Get right to it. What we're looking at right here is we got some housing starts, building permits. I think initial jobless claims is going to be more the focus, and continuing claims. After that, we got some feds, right? We got some feds talking. I don't think anybody's really paying much attention to them. Nat gas stocks, no big deal. Nothing really going to move us. Existing home sales on Friday. Then next week, I think we have a shortened week, don't we? Yeah, we do. Thanksgiving next week. One of my favorite holidays, man. I'm going to fry me up a turkey. Oh, you got FOMC minutes. What day is that? That's got to be, Wednesday. We got FOMC minutes next week. So people are going to be reading into that. We're looking for the pivot, but they're too aggressive. They're too aggressive. I think a lot of money is out of the hands of individuals. A lot of companies selling, laying off. So I think that feds are going to slow down to 50. And really, I think the better move would be to hold right here for a minute. Let everybody catch their breath. Let's see which way the economy's going and where supply chains are going. Because inventories are spiking, man. Spiking. And inventory spiking, labor rising, people laying off, labor costs rising, but people still laying off, right? That's a disconnect. So we don't want to see that stagnation era. So that's what we're going to have to look at. I'm still confident on a Christmas rally. I think we're going to trade off a little bit for the next few weeks and put in a nice trend reversal. So you know what? Let's take a look at that. We're here. Okay, so what I'm looking for is a trend down, maybe close up these gaps, right? What I want to see is on the weekly, right? So this is not bad. I had hoped we would come up a little higher and close that gap. But we have this divergence here, which is cool. I think we're going to pull back a little bit. Maybe put in another shoulder and then break. It's going to be a pretty extreme. This is a little low. I would have liked a higher shoulder. We might still get it. But, we might still get it. We might get a little pullback for the next few days. I'm actually looking for, I'm looking for a close of this gap. So maybe it won't be too aggressive, but we'll probably close that gap. I think we'll make this a fairly decent head and shoulders. Nah, it's not going to be a head and shoulders. We would have to pop up. If we pull back to this 85 and then break, that could still, that's a little aggressive for a flag. This is still this week. Next week we come back, then make a flag, close this gap and come back down. Yeah, we could still make that weekly. And that would put us, that's like February over there. Too much. We needed a few more pops. Yeah, we might still get a pop next week, tell you the truth. Set up a flag, get a pop, then create that head and shoulders into the new year. Yeah, could be. That's what I'm hoping for. That's what I'm looking at. So on the daily, there's kind of a shooting star right here. I mean, we got the gaps. That bar down kind of made it a little ugly. But today we're breaking to the downside, right? No, not even looking at it. We're down 35. So, that's a continuation of this. I mean, I'm inclined to feel that we're looking to close this gap right here, which is very aggressive. I don't think we'll see it today. although we do move that much figure. I mean, if we knock out 80 points, that should put us at 860. Oh yeah, yeah, dude. The trading range, the average trading range, about 80 points right now on the S&P. We could do that today, and we'll be right at the beginning of that, right at the first support, really, of that gap, and then the next support would be that 15, which would be another reasonable day. Yeah, we may very well close that in the next 2 days. That's going to add up for big money for Dave. I actually played that with a short on a futures contract, and that's my goal. That should work out nicely. So what are we looking at today? Yeah, that's what we're looking at. We're looking at a downside. We want to find an entry. We could look at that. The 240 is aggressive. I don't see an entry on the futures that I would look at. Yeah, we're just going to have to watch it. We'll see where it goes. Yeah, I'm not looking to delve down into anything right now. So anyway, that's it. I'm going to wrap it up right there. Subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. Join me at 9 a.m. Well, you know what? Join me at about 9:15, 9:20, and see if we get some trades off. We had a good day yesterday. I think we were up like, if you did 3 contracts, you'd be up $1,200, I think, yesterday. Fairly quick. Or was that with my afternoon trading? Somewhere around there. It was an update. What more do you need to say? All right, I'll catch you guys later.